Welcome back to Prometheus Layers. In today's project, we are going to design a custom 3D printed bracket for my son's tricycle. The tricycle weighs approximately 8.3 pounds, and the goal is to get it off the floor and out of the way by mounting it horizontally on the wall with the front tire facing downward. The weight of the tricycle will be supported by two brackets positioned on either side of the rear axle. So let's jump into Fusion 360 and start designing. The first part of the design is the flange that interfaces with the wall. Because this bracket will be supporting the weight of the entire tricycle, we want the flange to provide a solid connection to the wall while keeping the overall design as compact as possible. I'm designing the flange around the available space on the tricycle and making sure there's enough surface area for a secure mounting position. Now that we have the wall flange established, we're going to design the cross section of the actual bracket. This is where we need to account for the dimensions of the tricycle. The rear wheels have a diameter of approximately 6.5 inches, so we need to make sure our bracket provides enough clearance for the wheel. We're also accounting for the axle, which has a diameter of 27 millimeters. These dimensions are important because we want the bracket to hold the tricycle securely without interfering with the wheel axle. At this point, we can start refining the geometry and adding material where we need additional strength. Since the tricycle weighs about 8.3 pounds, we're not just looking for a bracket that fits, we want a design that is robust enough for the application. The goal is to keep the bracket relatively compact while still giving it enough structure to support the load. For the wall attachment, we are going to use two number 6 countersunk screws. The countersunk holes allow the screws to sit flush with the surface of the bracket, which keeps the mounting area clean and prevents the screws heads from interfering with the tricycle. Overall, I'm pretty happy with how it came out. We now have a compact, custom designed bracket that allows the tricycle to be mounted horizontally with the front tire facing downward and the weight supported on both sides of the rear axle. The best part is that the tricycle is now off the floor and out of the way, giving us some much needed extra space. This is exactly what I enjoy about 3D printing. You can take a simple problem around the house, design a solution specifically for it, and then turn that design into a functional part. If you enjoy this project, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Prometheus Layers, and let me know in the comments what you would design if you had a 3D printer. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next project.